Now we shall discuss one more question, which is specially method is called as the AB method. Means derivative of a statement is available here. See, its derivative is 6x plus 2. Derivative contain power of x is equals to 1, that is available in numerator, along with some constant. But if you see the derivative is 6x plus 2. It means derivative is not exactly in that form which is our requirement. So in this case we have a method. The name of the method is called as the AB method, in which we adjust a sequence in such a manner such that this numerator value is converted into that function which gives us derivative of the function, but the power of x should not be disturbed. Now see how can we do. 5x minus 2 is equals to a time derivative of function 3x square plus 2x plus 1 plus b. Now it is 5x minus 2 is equals to a time derivative, it is 6x plus 2 plus b. Now the main important thing to find out the value of a and b, and that can be find out with the help of compare. Now see this one, 5x minus 2 is equals to 6ax plus 2a plus b. Now we can compare the results. Coefficient of x here, that is 5. Coefficient of x here, that is 6a. Then a is equals to 5 by 6. Similarly, constant term minus 2 is equals to 2a plus b. Substitute the value of a. Minus 2 is equals to 2 into 5 by 6 plus b. 2 3s are minus 2 minus 5 by 3 equals to b. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 5, 11 by 3 is equals to b. These are the value of a and b. Now 5x minus 2 can be written as, substitute the value always in that step in which you already take the derivative. A 5 by 6 into 6x plus 2 minus 11 by 3. So this value is changed into another value, in what case we have derivative and along with the constant. If we simplify these by taking the LCM, we will get the same result. So it is a method in which linear function is converted into another linear function, but the overall value or overall result of the function remains same. So now we have to integrate 5x minus 2 upon 3x square plus 2x plus 1. It means 5 by 6, 6x plus 2 minus 11 by 3 divided by 3x square plus 2x plus 1 divided by 3x square plus 2x plus 1 along with dx. This is the statement. Now this complete statement is converted into two parts. It means we have the two different questions. For two different questions we have to think in the different manner. Now see, if you go for substitution for this part, 3x square plus 2x plus 1, let 3x square plus 2x plus 1 is equals to t. Then 6x plus 2 into dx is equals to dt. This one. So it will become 5 by 6 dt upon t, that is 5 by 6 log of t. Now log of t, suppose. Now 5 by 6 log of t. Now if we write down, it is 5 by 6 log of t. T is equals to 3x square plus 2x plus 1. Now it is the integration of first part. Now come to the second part, which is minus 11 by 3 dx upon 3x square plus 2x plus 1. See here, these are the two different questions. In one part you have applied substitution, but in second part you apply perfect square. It doesn't mean you have substitute here, it means you can go with the same method. Now these are break into two different part and two different questions. So one part will be solved by substitution and other part will be solved by the perfect square. Now go for the perfect square. 11 by 3, it is dx, coefficient of x 3 common. What is left? X square plus 2 by 3x plus 1 by 3 minus 11 by 9 dx upon x square plus 2 by 3x plus half of it, 2 by 3, it's half, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 square add, 1 by 3 square subtract plus 1 by 3. Now minus 11 by 9 dx upon x plus 1 by 3 square. This is the formula. It is minus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 3. LCM 9. It is minus 1 plus 3. That is 2 by 9. So 2 by 9 means under root 2 upon 3 whole square. So now we can apply the formula of x square plus a square. 1 upon a tangent inverse x upon a plus c, and this result as it is 5 by 6 log of 3x square plus 2x plus 1, and on compile you can write 5 by 6 log of 3x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 3 3s are 9, 11 by 3 root 2 tan inverse 3x plus 1 upon root 2 plus c. Apply the constant of integration always at the last, because in every step we can't apply, so we apply the constant of integration at the last. 1c indicate all the constant.